Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So children, today we are going to study subject English of class 3. Okay? Yes. So in the previous lecture we have started chapter number 10, right? Yes? What was the lesson? The ship of the desert. Okay? Yes. So we have completed till page 92 MCQs we have completed. Now we are moving further with the next exercise. See what is question number 3? Fill in the blanks. Okay, you have given your brackets in your workbook also. Like this, see, these are the brackets given, so you have to choose the correct bracket for the fill in the blanks. Okay, yes. Now see what is the first one. The dash is the king of the forest. So who is the king of the forest? इसमें तो bracket देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, you all know that the king of the forest is lion. So हम first blank पे क्या लिखेंगे? We'll put lion. Okay. Now see what is the second number. The dash is called the ship of the desert. So he is called the ship of the desert. We have learned, right? जो camel है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Ship of the desert. Okay. Now see what is the next. The camel has dash feet. So camel की feet है वो कैसे थी? See कैसे थी? Thick and padded, right? So हम क्या लिखेंगे इसमें? Thick and padded. Okay. Now see what is the fourth number. The lion has padded feet, so thorns don't dash them. So what does the thorn don't do? Thorns don't prick them. Okay, so हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? Prick. 4 नंबर में. अब देखो फिफ्थ क्या है? The camel has the thick and padded feet, so dash does not bother it. So what does not bother him? जो camel है वो कहाँ पे run करता है? He runs in the desert sand में. Okay. So, because of the thick and padded feet of the camel, the sand does not bother it. Now see what is the sixth number. The camel can live without dash for 1 week. Camel किस चीज के बिना 1 week तक रह सकता है? He can live without water. So in the sixth number, what will put? Water. Now next see 7 number. The camel can store dash for 2 weeks. So what does the camel can store? He can store food for 2 weeks, right? The camel store food in its dash. So where does the camel store food? Camel food humps में store करता है, right? So you will write here hump. Okay. Now see what is the next one. The camel eats dash in the desert. So what does the camel eat? Camel eat thorny bushes, right? So in the 9th one you will write thorns. Now 10 number. There are no dash in the trees. So deserts में क्या नहीं होते हैं? Trees नहीं है, right? And the last number, there are dash in the desert. So what are there? Thorny bushes, right? So now see what is the next exercise. Write true or false. True or false. You have to read the statement and write what is that statement is true or false. Now see what is the first number. The lion is called the ship of the desert. Lion ship of the desert है? No. So in the first one you will put false. Now second number, the camel has a thick and padded feet. So that is true. We have already learned that the camel has thick and padded feet. So in the second one you will put true. Now third, the camel can live without water for 2 weeks. Yes or no? No. Camel food के बिना 2 weeks तक रह सकता है, but without water he can only live 1 week. Now see what is the fourth number. The camel can store food for 2 weeks. Yes, that is true. So in the fourth one you will put true. Now fifth number, the camel stores food in a stomach. So camel है वो food stomach में store करता है? No, he don't store his food in stomach. वो hump में store करता है. So in the fifth number you will put false. Now next, there are many rivers and lakes in the desert. So desert में rivers and lakes हैं? No. So in the sixth one you will put false. Now 7 number, there are no trees in the desert. Desert में कोई भी trees नहीं है, so that is true. Now 8 number, the camel eats leaves in the desert. Desert में वो leaves खाता है? No, so false. Now 9 number, the camel eats thorns in the desert. That is true. Now see next question number 5. Make a list of a new word. यहाँ पे तुमको एक word दिया है, उसमें से तुमको 4 new words बनाने हैं. Okay? So first क्या दिया है? Frowning. Okay? So frowning के लिए हम क्या बना सकते हैं? एक तो frown, F-R-O-W-N. You can make frown. Okay? दूसरा तुम लोग बना Like this you will make new words from the given word. अब देखो सेकंड नंबर क्या है, wondering. ओके, सो क्या लिखेंगे हम, फर्स्ट वर्ड हम बना सकते हैं वंडर, देन नेक्स्ट हम क्या बना सकते हैं, रिंग. यस और नो, यस. फिर हम बना सकते हैं ओ एंड ऑन, एंड नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी कैन मेक, नेक्स्ट वी कैन मेक ओनर. ओनर भी बना सकते हैं ना, O W N E R. Here O W N E R, that also you can make R I N G. Ring भी बना सकते हैं, O and on बना सकते हैं. Yes, like that. Next है third number, fortnight. So fortnight में तुम क्या बना सकते हो, फर्स्ट लिख सकते हो fort, दूसरा तुम night भी लिख सकते हो, है ना. Night also you can make. Then after what you can make, for, and then you can make right also. Okay, right भी बना सकते हो, or else you can make night also, N-I-G-H-T, और R-I-G-H-T right बनाना है, that is also true. Now fourth number, roaring. roaring है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, roar, फिर R-I-N-G, ring, O-I, or, and that next what you can make, what you can make, iron, I-R-O-N, iron also you can make. Okay, अब next देखो क्या है, fifth number, bother. So bother के लिए तुम लोग लिख सकते हो other, then you can make her also, then what you can make, the also you can make, and what the next you can make, both. Okay, clear? Understood up till here? Okay, now turn the page 94. See what is given. Question number 6 is given. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the bracket. So you are given two brackets. So you have to choose which one is correct. Okay. So first number, can you dash the monkey? अब तुमको क्या ऑप्शन दिए हुए दो, C, S double E. It is given like this, S double E, and next is S E A E. So ये C means क्या होता है, S-E-M-C means जो दरिया होता है, राइट. सो कैन यू सी द मंकी, राइट, मतलब क्या तुम मंकी को देख सकते हो. सो वी विल यूज S-E-E-C. ओके, अंडरस्टूड हाउ यू विल मेक. नाउ सेकंड नंबर, कैन यू डैश द नोइज. सो कैन यू, व्हाट यू हैव गिवन, टू ऑप्शंस हियर. एक हियर क्या है, H-E-A-R, एंड नेक्स्ट इज H-E-R-E. सो हियर मींस कौन सा हियर लिखेंगे हम, H-E-A-R. Why? Because here means to hear, means to सुनना. Okay. And third number, do you dash the Hindi? So two options again, no and K-N-O-W, no. So do you know Hindi? Okay. Yes or no? Are you understanding? Yes. Now see what is the next one. This is dash house. So whose house, their house. So कौन सा their लिखेंगे हम, T-H-E-I-R. Now fifth number, the rabbit jumped into a big dash. So where did the rabbit jump into a hall? So hall means which hall, H-O-L-E, hole. Okay. Now sixth number, you should not dash on the wall. So what you should not do, you should not write on the wall. Okay. So write कौन सा लिखेंगे हम, W-R-I-T-E. Okay. Now seven number C, that is our school, right? That is our school. You are given like this, two options, R and this R. Okay, so this R means क्या होता है, जो हम one R, two R गिनते हैं, right? That is, but this R means that is our school. Okay, so you will put this in the 7 number. Okay, so I have explained you up till 7. Rest you will do by yourself in the homework. Now see what is the next. Write the names of the animals and their habit. So on page 95, see you have given here pictures. So you have to find out the correct thing. See, first one, यहाँ पे तुमको क्या picture दिख रहा है? This is a dash. तो तुमको options दिए हैं, ocean, forest, desert, icy, cold region. So ये icy cold region है? No. Forest भी नहीं है? Yes. So this is a desert. Okay. So you will put desert. Now next, अब देखो क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे तुमको. किसका पिक्चर है? नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ कैमल. सो यू विल राइट कैमल. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर्स फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट. ओके, पिक्चर देख के तुमको आंसर लिखना है. सो इन द फर्स्ट वन इट इज शोन अस अ डेजर्ट. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर किसका है? इट इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ camel. So you will write camel. Now see who is third picture. Third picture किसका है? Indian wild elves. Okay. So you will write that. What will you write in third number? Indian wild elves. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्या है? देखो तुमको क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? टॉर्टोइज. सो क्या लिखेंगे हम? व्हाट यू पुट? डेजर्ट टॉर्टोइज, राइट? इट इज डेजर्ट टॉर्टोइज. सो इन द फोर्थ नंबर यू पुट डेजर्ट टॉर्टोइज. क्लियर? नाउ सी नेक्स्ट सेकंड नंबर में क्या दिया हुआ है तुमको? फर्स्ट वन क्या पिक्चर दिख रहा है? दिस इज अ डैश. अगेन तुमको ऑप्शन दिया है ओशियन, फॉरेस्ट, डेजर्ट, आइसी कोल्ड रीजन. सो सेकंड पिक्चर में हमको क्या दिख रहा है? दैट इज एन आइसी कोल्ड रीजन. सो सेकंड में तुम क्या लिखोगे? आइसी कोल्ड रीजन. नाउ नेक्स्ट तुमको क्या दिख रहा है? देखो थ्री पिक्चर्स आर गिवन एंड ब्रैकेट्स आर गिवन. सो फर्स्ट वन किसका पिक्चर है? सी इट इज पेंगुइन, राइट? सो इन द फर्स्ट यू विल पुट पेंगुइन. नेक्स्ट किसका पिक्चर है? दैट इज पोलार बियर, राइट? सो इन द सेकंड वन यू विल राइट पोलार बियर. नाउ थर्ड वन सी कौन है? इट इज रेनडियर, राइट? So in the last you will put reindeer. Now turn the page 96. See what is given. First picture किसका दिख रहा है तुमको? It is the picture of an ocean, right? So you will write ocean. Now again तुमको three picture दिए हुए हैं और ऊपर option है. So first picture is of कौन है ये? First picture में कौन दिख रहा है? It is a dolphin. So in the first one you will put dolphin. Now next देखो क्या है? Whale, right? Next whale दिख रही है? Yes. And the last one what is? It is sea turtle. Sea turtle means जो दरिया में turtles होते हैं, that is known as sea turtle. And the last one, fourth number, see what is given? Picture of a forest. Forest का picture दिख रहा है तुमको? Yes. So in the fourth one you will put this is a forest. Now next किसका picture दिख रहा है तुमको? It is of deer. अब क्या है? Next it is of elephant. And the last one it is bear. Okay, so we have completed up till page 96. Here we have completed the chapter number 10 in the workbook. Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture with the next exercise. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.